Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones BEATS Solo3. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, so go to the settings, Bluetooth, and if it's turned off, just turn on it and click on your headphones at the device list. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, firstly, press and hold power button to turn off your headphones, and after that, press and hold power button again to turn on your headphones. And it will reconnect to your phone, so maybe it fixed your problem. And we have connection. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Forget the device, forget device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device. And as you can see, after we remove it, it automatically enters to pairing mode, so just click Connect or just go to the Bluetooth and click at the device list. Cool. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold volume down button, what's located below the multifunctional button at the left ear cup, and power button at your right ear cup at the same time, and you will see that these LED lights start flashing, so it means that it's resetting your headphones. So I'm just press and hold, and now as you can see it start to flashing, and here we go. We just perform it. So firstly we need to remove it from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget. Also, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after that we will see it at the device list, so just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!